So, hello everyone, we are back with basic algorithm scripting at FreeCodeCamp, and today we have where do I belong? So we have to figure out where does this number belong here, where does this number belong here, and so on. So for every second argument of the function that we're calling, we have to figure out where does it belong in the first argument, which is an array, and that should return an index of where the second argument should belong to. I have an explanation of a real-life example that would explain where you would use this case. And it's basically, let's say we have a classroom of children and they are all of different heights. So some child is taller than another, some child is smaller. And we have a new girl coming into the class and we want to figure out where does she actually belong? Is she taller? Is she smaller than this one, than this one? Yeah, that's basically what we're doing here. Let's assume that we can put this second argument into the first argument. So let's say we can insert 50 into this array. So then it's basically pushing the number into the array. With that array, we're gonna sort it. Sort is a JavaScript method, and as far as I know, it takes 2 parameters, but you can look it up. Maybe it takes more. And I'm gonna do an ES6 function. I could do like this: return a minus b. It's just some kind of trick to return the sorting in an ascending order, so from lowest to highest. So that's basically ascending order. Descending order, so from highest to lowest, would be like this. And I always like to get rid of things that do not add any value. So if we know we are returning something, we can just get rid of this in just in ES6 functions, so in arrow functions like this. Okay, so where are we now in the real life example? We've added our girl to the class and we have sorted from tallest to smallest. So now the only thing that we have to do is count at which positions she is. And there's actually a method for arrays in JavaScript that takes care of that, which is the indexOf method. And with the indexOf method, what we actually do is we check at which position an element in the array is at. If it's not in the array, it returns -1. So we have the index of num, and that will return the index. So if we run it, it broke my heart. So there's something wrong here. Yeah, of course we have to return it, and if we run it, it's done. Okay, so if this video was helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you left a like, subscribe and comment so that my channel can grow. See you next time.